Hi, good morning and good evening, everyone. Today we will see sixth session. We have finished the 5 basic session. This is the sixth basic session. Yesterday we have assignment to customize tab bar in Classic, right? Have you done with this assignment? Yesterday
Yes, sir.
was
Yes, sir.
to customize the tab bar. So in Classic we are calling it as tab bar. In Classic, we are calling this as tab bar. What we call that in Lightning?
Navigation bar.
Navigation.
How to switch to Lightning?
To switch to lightning.
Click
There is
on-
switch to lightning experience.
So this is called as navigation bar. You have customized tab bar by clicking on plus symbol. How to go to marketing application? How we will go to
App
marketing?
launcher.
App launcher.
This one,
Launcher.
App launcher.
this one same, right?
For marketing.
9 dots.
Yes.
This is the app launcher. Marketing.
Sorry.
Yeah. So there in the tab bar, we can click on this plus symbol, right?
Mhm.
Here we don't see that kind of symbol. Here we don't see that. If you customize application in Classic, will it be applicable in Lightning or not?
No.
Classic and Lightning, which one is recent version, which one is old version?
Lightning
Lightning
is
is
recent.
recent.
Classic is old.
Classic is the old one.
Version.
Old.
It is old version. So here, sometimes we will have only Classic applications. Only Classic, no Lightning for some clients. Some clients, there will be only Lightning applications. For some, there is both. So some clients will have only Classic applications, some clients will have only Lightning, some clients will have both. If you build application in Classic, you can migrate to Lightning. If you build applications in Lightning, you cannot move. Migration is not possible. Can't migrate. Can't migrate to Classic. You can go from low to high. High to low, it is not possible because client already they want to use high-end application, recent versions. If you do it in Lightning, you cannot move to Classic. understand for this now. Now, if you create something, account records, those records will be seen in Classic. If you create account records in Classic, those will be seen in Lightning. Can you see those in Lightning?
No, sir.
If
Yes.
Yes.
Why yes? Why no? Why?
Yes,
if
because
it's
it's
Same
data.
object is different behind the screens.
Can't do anything.
Sorry?
Client can see but can't do anything.
Means can't do
That
anything.
can be seen by admins in both versions.
Okay.
Tables and data is the same,
Okay.
so it should be visible.
It's same object
Account is
referring
the
for the both.
Common functionality.
These are set as defaults in both versions.
Okay. So here, what any Salesforce application will have? Example, now I am talking. Any technology will have any software application. What it contains, any software application. If you talk about any software application, three things are there. What are those?
Front end, back end.
GUI, front-end application, back-end, and a logical layer.
Back end and
Logical layer.
Business logic.
So in the back end, what we do?
Whatever data is entered is saved in
Storage.
back-end.
Data
Logic.
storage.
Logic happens separately.
Organizing.
Storage, right here. Store data. We store data in the back end. For example, now I have stored data in two tables. Or two tables or one table or anything. I want to generate report. Client asked to generate report. That report will contain different statistics in different format. Where you are displaying this statistics in different format?
Front end.
In the logic layer, you'll define it.
By
In the
using
front end, you
coding.
only have filters in the front end.
You are displaying in front end, right?
Mhm.
You are writing some business logic, displaying in front end in different formats.
Okay.
The format of the data changed, but data, real numbers, the tables changed.
No.
No.
Tables are not changed.
No.
No, sir.
Either you enter data from Classic or Lightning. From wherever you enter. From wherever you enter, data won't change.
Yes.
Correct? Objects
Yes.
which we see in Classic, which we see in Lightning are same. campaigns, whatever we are seeing here, and the campaigns, whatever we are seeing in Lightning, there is no difference. Because that is database table. That is database table. These campaigns in Classic and campaigns in Lightning, both are same. Understood now?
Yes.
Salesforce has provided object structure to us. That object structure is fixed. It won't change. Object structure won't change. Everybody has to use same object structure. And surprisingly, you and other client, your client and other person client, either we store data in account object, I store in account object, whoever is in the class are 14 members. We entered some data, right? In campaigns, all of you has created 5 campaigns, 5 leads, 5 accounts. All of our data is going to store in the same object in Salesforce. Did you understand what is meaning of that?
Yes.
Yes.
There won't be 14 separate objects. We are 14 people in the class. For 14 people, only one account object. All of our data is going to store in the account object. Either you create it from US, India, Canada, or in different parts of the world. Only one account object for everybody. But can I see your data? You have created 5 records. Can I see your 5 records?
If I provide access to you, yes.
By logging into my account.
No.
No, you cannot see.
We
No.
cannot see.
No.
We cannot see that. Because even though you are storing in the same account object, I cannot others
No.
records. To do that, I need credentials. If authorized, if you give authorization to me through user ID and password, then only I can see your records. This is clear?
Yes.
It is simple. If somebody
Yes.
come to our home, till where we will give access to them? Till hall, maybe till dining hall, common room. If you give access, then we will move on. Otherwise, we cannot. Same house, different access. To whomever you will give access, they only can come. Till that point. Now you created records in Classic. Same records you can create in Lightning. But what is changing here? Here I am clicking on campaigns. When I click new, how you are seeing this? The look and feel is something different, right?
Yes.
If you go to Lightning, if you click on campaigns, how you will see this? You are seeing something different. look and feel changed. Only UI is the difference. Only UI difference is there, nothing else. The field names are same. Field names are same. Field names are same. Everything is same except UI, except visibility. Now, I don't want to see these contacts and opportunities. How we can do? How we can customize? Customize navigation bar in some marketing application. To do that, there is option called setup and go to app manager. In the app manager, go to application. Here, setup. We are seeing object manager here. Try app manager. In this app manager, you can see all the applications. Which application we want? Marketing application. Here you can see application type. See here, it is showing classic lightning. Now I want to do something in sales application, sales lightning application. I am not seeing marketing lightning application. Let us see here, it is showing sales lightning application. Change this. Edit. Before going to this, we will see sales classic application is there or not. It is there. So what is difference between this sales lightning application and this sales classic application?
The user interface is different.
Okay. Now, if I edit this application, what? Go to here, open sales application. Number of application which we see here are different. Number of application which we see in app manager are different. What is difference? What is difference between app manager and app launcher?
That is
App-
your
App manager will
In-
have the applications which are not showing on the app launcher as well.
App
Why?
Manager, it has
What is the
both
difference?
classic and lightning apps.
Here
App
it is
manager.
showing in Lightning app launcher, it is showing applications, those who are in Lightning. These applications are in Lightning. Only those applications are visible. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Total 12 applications are available, right? 4 into 3, 12 applications are available. These are only Lightning applications. If you go there to app manager, in the app manager, how many applications it is showing?
21.
21. So these are both classic and lightning. How many classic are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 1, 2, 3,
10.
4, 5. 12 it should be, right? 12. Those classic applications are 12. They lightning are 12. It should be 9. How many classic should be? Total it is showing 12 there in the app launcher. Here it is showing 21. Remaining 9 should be classic. If I make changes in lightning, will it be applicable in classic or not?
Should not be.
Now in the marketing application, it is showing leads and reports. In classic. In lightning, in the marketing application, same time should display, right? In the marketing application, see here, it is displaying something different, right?
Correct.
Why it is like this?
Because we removed some of them from marketing yesterday. Is that why?
When we
Classic.
do it classic, it should be applicable in lightning as well, right?
No.
You need to upgrade it
Migrate
to
it, then only.
lightning. Then only you'll see.
Okay, now we will do one thing. We will go to classic and see in the sales application
Okay.
what tabs are there. Check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are there. We will move to lightning experience and we will check there. Sales application.
Sales console is different.
Yeah. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13, 14, 15, 16.
There is some change in classic and lightning. Whatever we can do in lightning, that cannot be done in classic. Because this is the latest technology they are using. But what doesn't change? The database.
Database.
We cannot say if you build application in classic, that will be same as in lightning. You can do. However, it is showing in classic. In the same way, you can build application in lightning. But when you build some features in lightning, same features can't be implemented in classic.
So the backend is always the same, sir?
Yeah, backend is always same. So you are creating account from lightning and you are creating account from classic. Same account will be shown. If I create account here, New. Account name, Swapna Salesforce. Save. I am creating account. Go to Classic.
Yes.
Go to accounts. Can you see Swapna Salesforce here?
Yes.
You can see. So understand this much only. All features whichever are implemented in Lightning that cannot be implemented in Classic. Because Classic is built by using Visual Force. That is the oldest technology. It is based on the Visual Force tags. It is tag based programming. It completely doesn't have latest functionalities. After 3-4 years, there won't be Classic as per my expectation. There will be only Lightning. Okay, understand this much only. Don't compare. If I do some modifications in Classic application and Lightning application, will it be applicable here? We can see that here or not. Don't go into that research. Okay, only database structure is same. And observe differences between App Manager and App Launcher in Lightning. That's it. Don't compare with this App Launcher here in Classic. Okay. Now we will go to Lightning Experience and customize this tab bar in sales application. How to do?
Setup,
Setup app manager.
app manager.
Search.
App Manager.
Application.
In the App Manager,
Marketing.
Sales Cloud. I want
Sales
to
Cloud.
Sales application.
For
In
Lightning.
Lightning sales application, 14th one. Just click on this edit. Now it will show tabs are navigation items. Left side see.
Navigation.
It is not telling tabs. If you go to Classic, it will show tabs.
All tabs.
So now I don't want all these files, tasks I don't want. Select whichever you don't want, select them,
Remove.
remove. That's it. Cases I don't want, forecast I don't want, people I don't want, calendar, groups, charter I don't want. Just click on remove. Save. Then go to that application. Go to sales application. Now you can drag this onto top. Just leave there because we are using it frequently. You want that in the top. If you go now here, it will come in the top. Remove, right? Hidden. We cannot say remove, hide. Hidden is done. Vishwajit, you got it?
Yes, sir, I got.
Okay.
But in the service app, sir,
Hmm.
pencil icon is not means activated.
In the service application,
In the service application, if I do the same process to including the solution object, solution tab, sorry.
okay. App manager. You went to which application? Service. This
Yes,
one?
sir. Yes, sir.
Service?
Service in classic, because lightning is for service console is present in lightning, but
Not showing solution object in that solution tab.
In service, here in 18th one?
yes, sir. Yes, sir, 18th one, right.
Okay, if we click edit,
I think by default Salesforce means this app is made under the classic.
this is solutions, right?
Yes, sir, but it is not showing in lightning, no.
This solution is not showing
It is not showing
in the
in
application.
lightning, but it is showing in the classic.
Classic. Okay. If you go here to the application, it is not showing.
Yes, sir.
This application. Okay, if we go here, it is not showing. Maybe because of functionality by default, Salesforce has given this.
Okay.
We can add solution, right? If it is not by default, we can still
We can
customize
do
it.
it. Maybe it requires some customization. It might require some customization or configuration, additional configuration to do that. Because usually when you go to
So, but there is no application for lightning in for service, right? In app manager,
there is no
lightning application for in app manager for service. In app manager, we can see only one entry for service, that is for classic, not for lightning.
Classic.
so this is Salesforce basically has given these functionalities in developer edition. Okay, when you go to unlimited edition, that options will be similar to this, but how they have given, we have to see in that. This is for developer purpose. Whatever you are seeing same, here service console is there. This is some different application. This is for app management, app settings. App manager. Here in the app manager, we are seeing only one service application. We are seeing only one service application. This one. Your doubt is this only, right? It is not showing, they have not given lightning service application. Someone asked
Yes.
this question.
Yes, sir,
So-
the same one.
Salesforce has given this much only for us by default. Now, if you want to create service application, we can do it. We will see that now. First, we have seen how to customize navigation bar in Lightning. In the next step, you have to create records in Lightning. Previously, you have created in Classic and create in Lightning in marketing, sales, and service application. That I am going to give as assignment. So account object is same. Either you create data in Classic or Lightning, account object, there is no change. But what is changing here? What is difference between Classic and Lightning? And here one more thing we have to understand. We are seeing Classic and we are discussing about Lightning Aura components. We have Lightning Web components. What is these three? Classic we know. Classic is built by using what? By using
Visual Force. Visual Force.
So Lightning is built by using two kinds of programming. One is Lightning Aura components. Another one is Lightning Web components. This is by using Visual Force. Lightning can be built by using Lightning Aura components and Lightning Web components. What are these two? Anyone has idea? What is difference between Lightning Aura components and Lightning Web components? Now, in every interview, they are asking Lightning Web components. Do you have experience in Lightning Web components or not? What is difference between these two? Many people doesn't know. Even they are working in Salesforce as well, they don't know this. This Aura components, Lightning Aura components is not related to Salesforce, means they have not introduced this Lightning Aura components. They are Lightning Aura components. This technology is from different organization. This is a open source. Salesforce using, when it is a open source, what is meaning by open source?
Free code.
If you take a license, it can be used by anyone.
You can take that code and you can build in your own way. You can use that code for your own purpose. It is a open source technology by other company. Salesforce is using that. Now Salesforce is used by how many customers?
Many.
1,50,000 plus clients are there for Salesforce. 1,50,000 plus clients means it is very huge. If we have one client in our company, we will be like 15 to 20 people for each project. If it is a enterprise application, there 400 to 500 people are working on the same project. If 1,50,000 organizations are using, so now what Lightning Aura components company, this company, what they will say, now we are not open source, we will make it paid. Suddenly tomorrow they will say, we are going to make it paid in next 1 year. Then what will happen? If you want to use this lightning aura components, you have to pay money if they say. How Salesforce will get affected with that? This 1,50,000 organizations, they believed Salesforce and they paid money as per the agreement. They have calculated everything. They said they think it is a open source, so they have charged less. If they make it paid, either it has to bear by Salesforce or client, right? If they keep more money for this, for the license, it is too difficult. So Salesforce, Mark Benny have thought that it might happen in future. That's why now everything they are building in Lightning Web Components. Understood what is difference between Lightning Web Components and Lightning Aura Components?
Yes.
So
Yes.
almost same functionality, but this is introduced by Salesforce. After 3-4 years, they completely retire Visualforce and they keep only Lightning Web Components. There won't be Lightning Aura Components using by anyone else. So the look and feel is normal in Classic. You can see the difference, right? How it is showing, how screens are showing, how user interface is there, how user experience is there. There is normal look and feel in Classic. We can see very good rich look and feel. We can add different font colors. You can use CSS. You can use HTML. You can use Java. With that, you can change the look and feel. If you use CSS, cascading style sheets, then colors and fonts, the visibility changes. There in Classic, you cannot use. Those are built by using Visualforce pages, Visualforce tags. These are Lightning pages. Either it is in Lightning Aura components or Lightning Web components. This is a page-based framework. Page-based framework means when you open that page, entire page get loaded. In the page-based framework, if you go to any point, if you open anything, entire page get loaded. If you go to Lightning, it is component based. There, wherever you click, that component get loaded. See this. If you open this account, here it is showing this is a component, this is one component, this is another component, this is one component. Even if you go to home, this is one component. If you refresh this, only this get refreshed. If you click on this, only this part will get refreshed. This page won't get refreshed. Because of this, the loading time get reduced. Wherever you click, that component gets loaded. That is a component-based framework. Understood difference between page-based framework and component-based framework?
Yes.
Yes.
In the back end, we built for page, entire page we write programming. But in the Lightning, it is the same page. It is visual. We call this as page in Lightning, and in Classic as well, we call this as page. But we write entire programming in the same format. Like for entire page, we write coding. But here, we write coding separately for this component, separately for this component, separately. Everything is component, separate component. If you click on that particular place, if you click on any of these options, only component code related to this component will get loaded. The code related to this component get loaded. There won't be load on the page. The entire page need not to be loaded. So the loading time is more for classic. It get loaded very quickly in Lightning. The performance is, when loading time is more, automatically performance will be low. When each component is getting loaded, whenever we click on that component, those components get loaded. So there will be high performance for the pages. If you build applications in Classic, it can be migrated to Lightning. If you build applications in Lightning, it cannot be moved to Classic. There are so many other differences. By moving forward, we can do that. In previous days, most of the time they used to ask what is the difference between Classic and Lightning. But nowadays they are not asking.
So price wise, how much is the difference, sir? Both Classic and Lightning?
Price means?
Cost wise.
No, when you take license, you get everything.
Okay.
There is nothing like that. First, what they did was, when they introduced Lightning, they gave separate license for Classic and separate license for Lightning.
Okay.
That time many clients were not interested, not shown interest. So now they included all in one license cost. No difference.
So companies, are there any companies who still want to be on Classic because of some functionality? Or?
Yeah, some very big clients, if you take hospitals or healthcare insurance, those might build on Classic. It can be easily migrated to Lightning.
Okay.
The functionalities, most of the time it shows. Nowadays they are moving, they are completely moving. We cannot say they stick for only Classic. They don't. Because even Salesforce will say you have to move. I don't see any client, those who are only having Classic. I didn't see till now. I didn't see. In top MNCs, some companies like Infosys, Accenture, TCS, I have seen they are asking questions in Classic, means Visual Force. But many companies, they focus on only LWC, Lightning Web Components. But Swapna teaches Visual Force as well. She teaches it for 10 classes, I think so, Visual Force. By chance, if you get that opportunity as if you get call, if you fail, it will be not good. That's why she is teaching Visual Force as well.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have seen how to go to App Launcher and App Manager. What we will do is, now we need to get some clarification here, some things. What is the highest level in Salesforce CRM? Means you might understood my question or not, I don't know.
Solution architect.
Not about position. If you go to Salesforce CRM,
Enterprise.
So here in the application we are seeing. Now I logged in here. First time I came to Salesforce, I logged in here. What is the highest level I am seeing? We discuss about first what? What we call this?
URL.
Okay, URL, okay. But what
User
we call
interface.
this entire
User,
one?
user
Application.
interface.
This is application,
Which?
right? Application is the highest one, topmost. After application,
URL.
URL.
no, I am not talking in that context. That we have crossed. That is first session, that is done.
Database.
Objects.
Database means
Objects.
next.
Record.
For
Seal.
object, we need to have
Records.
Field.
Right.
Tabs.
Tabs.
after this.
Record.
Fields.
For object, we
Fields.
have
Fields.
Fields.
in the fields we have
Records. Records.
so this entire application object tab fields records. Where it is getting stored?
In the database.
Database.com.
Where is database.com?
Servers.
Instance.
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 Where is instance?
Region.
Region.
Server region.
Region.
So now if I say hierarchy, region, instance, database.com, application, object,
Tabs. Fields. Records.
and record. Till yesterday, our thought process is different. Today, we are different. Region, instance, database.com, application, object, tab, fields, records. Our entire Salesforce is this only. We create object, we create tabs, we create fields, we create applications, we store in database, means the process we do, and we access the data. If you are very clear of what is region, what is instance, what is database, what is application, object, tab, fields, and records, how to create this, how to do this, you understand entire functionality of Salesforce. Entire ecosystem, basic ecosystem of the Salesforce is behind this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember always this sequence. Fix this. Fix it. Region, instance, database.com, application, object, tab, fields, and records. Salesforce has given all these to us or not? They have given all these 7, right?
That's right.
What they will say, what client will say when they take license, we have taken these applications and everything is available. You just to do, we need something here. What is that something? Very small things. It is not a difficult thing. What I am doing is, what I am seeing here is, when I go here in the Lightning experience, when I go to sales application, here I am seeing Salesforce logo. I am HDFC Bank. I want to use this application for my customers. If they see this, it will not be good. They feel this is Salesforce application, not HDFC application. Make sure this is related to HDFC. So what we have to do now? How you will make this application? When I am logging in here, you are seeing this is Salesforce. If I log in here, if I open this here, how I am saying this is Apollo?
Because that's what
Logo.
the front end is displaying.
Because of this logo.
Yeah.
If I don't see this logo, if I see Salesforce logo, even though I am seeing here Apollo Hospitals, do I feel this is Apollo website or Salesforce website?
Apollo.
Apollo.
No, if I see Salesforce logo here,
We'll think it's Salesforce.
we
Salesforce.
feel this is Salesforce, not
Apollo.
Apollo. In the same way, you are working for a client, HDFC, they have TCS recruited you to work on HDFC project. They say, I am seeing this logo. Just change this. Simple. What they will do, when they want to change logo, they will add in user story. They create user story, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In that user story, what they will tell?
Change the logo to
Change the logo to
customize the logo to
HDFC.
HDFC logo.
They create user story 01 or something with number. They tell, change that logo. And they will add that logo to us or not?
Yes, sir. They'll give us the individual.
Yes,
screen.
they will give us.
They will give. Because we don't know what logo he wants. Whatever he give, we change it. Same option. However, we went to navigation items added. In the same way we have to do. Go to app manager. In the app manager, open HDFC sales, like lightning sales application, like sales lightning application. Click on edit, change it to HDFC sales. I want to change name and logo. It is sales. Now change it to HDFC sales. Change logo from Salesforce to HDFC.
HDFC sales.
What are the steps? Setup.
Setup.
App manager.
App manager.
The app manager.
Edit. Sales edit.
Edit.
Sales lightning edit.
Edit.
Edit. Here it is showing
App branding. Yes.
Branding upload.
HDFC sales.
And upload
Upload the picture.
image. So in the description, you change it to HDFC
HDFC
sales
sales.
process
Sales.
accounts leads. And this theme you can select automatically based on this logo, or else if you want to change theme, you can change. It is a blue color only HDFC. I am keeping this.
What is that value, sir? Hash value?
Which one?
The one next to the blue.
Color.
This one.
The one next to it, the text box next to it.
Yeah, every color have code.
Okay.
Even if you take anywhere, if these colors are defined number. If you change this color, number changes. If you want to change exact done, if you click, it will change.
Okay.
So for everything, like wherever you go in CSS or somewhere else, standard colors are defined all over the world. This number is same. If you say this number exactly, you can give that color. You will get that color.
Okay, sir.
Sir, do we need to do this for individual applications like you have done for the sales, for the remaining sales, service and marketing?
Yeah, if it is required, we have to do, because the thing which we are doing is different. In real time, that requirement may be different. Now they are telling only for sales application.
Okay.
The service team which they use, and here we need to understand some more things, because you are into sales application, you are into sales department, you cannot see service application in real time. You will not have access for service. You are working in sales department, you are not nowhere related to service, right?
Yes.
You will not have access for it. As a developer, we have access for it. But in real time, those who are working for HDFC Bank, they will have access. Team, those who are working in sales department, they have access only for sales applications.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
When they are customer care is working, they have access only for service application. That too, whatever we have decided, organization has decided, everything they cannot see. We are
Role-based.
system administrator, we are developers, we can see everything. At client side, that structure is different, right?
Yes.
HDFC CEO can see anything. If you log into application, Salesforce application, you will see all, everything you will see. But people working in one branch, might be Hyderabad branch manager, his access is limited, right?
Right. Yeah.
So it will be like that. Clear, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Click on save. Go to application. Now what you will see here? Just refresh it. And go to sales.
Sales.
See HDFC sales changed or not?
Yes.
This is very simple.
So the deployment one went away.
Sorry?
So there was a deployment logo, right? Oh, that's only in Classic.
If you go to Classic,
Never mind, sir. Never mind.
if you see this, can you see this here? Can you do that here? This is like, if you go to Classic, this is the sales application.
Right.
You cannot change this logo in Classic.
Right.
You cannot change. With configuration, you have to use coding. Understood difference now? In Lightning, with configuration, you can change this logo. But if you want to change this logo, you have to write code. Visual Force
Yes.
code you have to use, and you have to change this logo. In Lightning, we can do many things without coding or with simple coding. That is the limitation in Classic and Lightning. You have to write code here to change this. But there, they have given that facility with configuration. So Salesforce has provided some standard applications to automate their business process. So we can customize the applications as per customer business requirement, as per client business requirement, not customer. Client will have some requirement. As per that, we will make changes to that standard application. We can call it as configure. Configure means without coding. Customize means we write code. Salesforce want to minimize the customization. They want to do with configuration because they don't want to give more work to developers. I say 50% coding, 50% configuration, but some people will say 30% coding, 70% configuration. It is a debate, I don't know. So we can create custom application. They are providing standard application. They are telling change this in the standard application. Sometimes some clients will say, I don't want this. I want in my own way. You create new application for me. I don't want to use their standard application. They have given sales application. I don't want to use it. There as well, we are not writing any big code or something. Whatever objects they have provided, we use. Whatever the options they have provided, we use. But we create our own application. It is very simple. Now create one custom application. Now you are going to create one project like you are creating application for Swapna Salesforce. We are into education sector. Swapna Salesforce training application or LMS you can say, learning management system we call it. And for client is Swapna Salesforce. What they say is, we want to do some sales process. Application name, they want Swapna Salesforce LMS. This is the project name. And client is Swapna, because our company name is Swapna Salesforce. And they want tabs. They want to do sales process only. They want to do leads they want, accounts they want, contacts they want, opportunities they want, cases, solutions they want. They want one application. And they want these objects in their for their purpose because they get leads. And whatever the leads get, they convert to customer, they create accounts, contacts, opportunities. And when they took their code, they want to provide services. If student want any help from lecturer or from admin team, they want to raise a case, then they want to give solution. So how to do this? Same thing. Go to app manager, click on new lightning app. Here we have customized existing sales standard application which they have provided. Now we are creating new application. Go to that app manager. Here new lightning app. You can see, right? Click on this.
Yes, sir.
Give app name Swapna Salesforce training they want. LMS. Developer name it automatically gives. Description. This is learning management
System.
application for students. You can upload logo. And colors, it is blue only. Then click next. Don't do anything
So
changes.
for-
Just sorry.
Sorry, sir, for a question.
Yeah.
For the logo, does it have to be under certain size or any size it will take?
Yeah, for logo,
Yes.
there is a limitation like 2 MB size something will be there. Anyway, when they are giving logo, they compress it and they will give it to us.
Okay.
Anytime when we do logos, the designer, they will compress.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Click next. So don't change anything, just click next. Because we are not in a position to discuss about these things. Those are not required. This one is also same. Click next. So now here, navigation items, we need to add, right? Which one you want?
Yes. Leads.
We wanted leads, accounts, contacts,
Account. Field.
opportunity.
Add that. Accounts. Add it.
Contacts.
Contacts.
Opportunities.
Next.
Cases. Solutions.
Solutions is not available here. Okay, let us discuss about that later. Why it is not available? What is the restriction? That we will see later.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't need
Okay.
to think about this now. Our purpose is to create application. Click next. Here, we have to discuss something about profiles. Now don't think anything about that. What you do is select all.
Yeah.
Add all. This is something I need to explain in different way. We will see that tomorrow or next
Okay.
time. Just creating application, include all profiles. Save and finish. Now where we can see that application?
App manager.
In that
App launcher.
right
App
app launcher.
Here we can see, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And same way we can see here as
In
well.
app launcher. Yes.
Swapna sales.
Yes.
You can drag it to top. Close this and open this.
Okay.
How simple is it if you use Salesforce CRM? If you want to do same thing by using .NET or Java or some other things, you have to write code. Now we can create leads. We can convert to customer. It is simple, right? So this one we have created. Lead. This lead came here or not? I said leads is common object for the org, right? Getting? These objects are common for
Yes, sir.
our org.
Yes.
Yes.
I am a system administrator. I don't have restriction. I can see all the leads. We have seen profile, right? While creating the application. Based on the profile, we will have access for these leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, cases. Everybody cannot see this. I am a system administrator. We will discuss about that in next sessions. Who will see that? How we will see that? You might think how we got these leads. That's why I am explaining. You observed this, or did you get any doubt? How this new lead came here? Just now we have created application. How we got it?
Because the object is the same.
Object is
Yeah.
same for the arm. And I am a system administrator profile I have. I don't have restriction for viewing these records. I can see all the records, whoever is created. That's why I am seeing. If I am not system administrator, if I have some different profile, I cannot see. Okay, just remember that point only. Don't think much about that. So this is what for today's session. So this observation is, now we have a new custom application is created. We can access that application through app launcher and app manager or not?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
We can create many records in the application. For whatever the testing purpose we require, we can create many records. We can use, we can build, we have built this application, we can use it for our normal regular purpose. You are feeling simple and easy, or you are feeling any difficulty in Salesforce?
Now
So-
simple and
So
easy.
far easy, sir.
It is very easy. And we feel it is difficult. There is nothing in Salesforce. Simple example is, I am very fear of coding. I have a lot of phobia on coding. I am teaching Salesforce to you. You understand. I am not intelligent like you. But what we made is, we simplified this course in this way. You might be building better applications than us, than me and Swapna, by applying your thoughts. We are just showing one way how to enter into Salesforce. If we guide in this way, you might find better ways to build applications. You can apply your thoughts, IQ process. Okay, we'll try to make it simplified and focus on the point which we are explaining only. If you think in different ways, what happens to this, what happens to that, then Salesforce will become mess. When you go to your company, when you go join in company, you will work only on 20 to 30% of the part which we are explaining to you. Whatever assignments we are giving in future, you will not have that much pressure in organization when you go to work on your project in Salesforce. We are giving more work to you. You will be able to explain the person who took interview for you when you enter into company. That much knowledge we will give to you. That much work pressure we will give to you during our this 3.5 months. Okay, be focused and try to concentrate on the subject for just 3.5 months. You will be the winner.